Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan living room. Today, Lucy and I have a product review for you. I swear, if Lucy sits here like this for the whole thing, I'm gonna be so amazed. You're such a good girl. She's such a camera ham. Yeah, camera ham. But anyway, today we are going to be reviewing the Levoit Premium Yoga Kit set. It's got 8 pieces. It's so awesome. They were cool enough to send it over for me to review. I just want to let you guys know this was not sponsored, so I'm going to be honest in my critique. And I'm really excited because I used to do yoga all the time. I kind of fell out of practice, I guess you would say, because I've been doing a lot of biking, but I'm hoping to get back into yoga, so it was just like perfect timing. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, but before we do, I just wanted to let you guys know that we will be doing a giveaway. So one of you guys will be getting this exact same kit, so I will give you the details for that at the end of the video. But let's get started. So the kit comes in this awesome carrying bag. So it's got this nice strap here. We've got the little logo here. Lucy is very interested. She's like, what's in the bag? So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is, I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you open up the bag. Everything is in here all nice. You got some stuff that's even strapped down in the bag. So if you wanted to take this bag to go and you don't want all of your stuff kind of like getting all messed up, it's gonna be secure in this bag. So I'm gonna take everything out one by one and show you what we have here. So first things first, of course, you're gonna want a yoga mat, right? Here it is. So this is really nice. It's really thick and squishy. I feel like because of the design they have on here too, it's not like you're gonna slip around on it. That's a problem that I've had with yoga mats in the past, especially if your hands and your feet get sweaty. You go into like a difficult pose and all of a sudden, your hands or your feet are slipping out from underneath you. That's a really scary feeling. But I don't anticipate having that problem with this mat because, like I said, the design in here, it feels a little bit grippy. So I think that's gonna be nice. And you've got this like dark gray on one side, you've got light gray on the other. So depending on your mood for that day, you can decide which color you want facing up. So this looks like a really nice mat. It's really wide and I think it's gonna be pretty long too. So let's see, yeah, it's gonna be really nice. All right, so along with that, we've got 2 microfiber towels here. Look, Lulu. You get 2 sizes, you get the extra large and you get the small. So the small is great for just like wiping off your face or something like that. And look at how cute. They have the little logos on here too. Love that little detail. So this is good because I get really sweaty. And this is even better, this extra large one, because this will fit right over your mat so that you don't have to worry about cleaning your mat all the time. Because like I said, I am a sweater, and I don't mean like winter wear sweater. I mean like liquid coming out of the pores. So yeah, this is gonna fit really nicely on this mat. Lucy's checking it out right now. So this is gonna save a lot of cleaning because then you can just throw this towel in the wash as opposed to cleaning your mat after you sweat all over it. Okay, so this kit is especially great for beginners because you have these extra tools that will help you get the most out of your practice. We've got 2 yoga blocks here, so this is really helpful if you're trying to get into a certain pose and maybe you're not as flexible as you want to be to get into that. So this is great because you can use this as an extra support. It's going to help you get a better stretch out of every pose, and I'm really excited to try these because in the past I've never used accessories before. I've never used a strap, I've never used blocks, so my poses have been like a little bit lackluster. I'm not the most flexible, I know, right? So this is gonna be great. I'm excited to try these out. And like I said, you also get this strap. So I'm not like totally up on the strap usage yet, but I am gonna try it out today. I was looking up different ways that you can use it, and there's a couple different poses that it works really well for beginners. So we're gonna be trying that out, right, Lulu? And then the second strap is great for carrying around your mat. This is great if you want to like go to a class or something and you don't want to bring all of your accessories. So you can just roll up your mat and get it ready to go. And last but not least, you get this 30-minute beginner's yoga flow DVD. And I'm actually gonna try this out right now, you guys, and we're gonna see how it goes. I will let you know. So before I try out the DVD, I just wanted to give you guys another look at the bag that this whole kit comes in. You've got so many extra little pockets. There's a pocket on this side, there's a zipper pocket on this side, you've got one up here, another one up here, and then like I was talking about before, you have these little straps in here so you can put your blocks and everything without all of your stuff slipping around in your bag. This is also great if you're traveling somewhere, you want to bring all of your accessories with you so that you can practice on the go. Good stuff. All right, my mat's all set up. Flash has his breakfast. It's time to do some yoga. Calm now. That was so relaxing, but I also feel like I got a really good workout and a really great stretch. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the blocks and the strap. I was really happy that this DVD really utilizes those. I got such a great stretch with them. It was so much better than just trying to struggle through those poses and like try to touch the ground when there's like no way I can touch the ground doing those things. So I think the blocks and the straps really help. So this whole thing is such a great value. You get a lot for the price, so I would highly, highly recommend it. And I just wanted to mention too, you get a bonus 1-year warranty if you register your product within 14 days of your purchase. So that's pretty awesome too. Levoit was nice enough to set up a giveaway for this product. So if you guys leave a comment on this video, you'll automatically have a chance at winning this set. And we'll let you know if you're the big winner. So this giveaway is gonna be open until midnight, June 15th. Well, like that Friday at midnight. So like, you know what I mean? Friday night, it's gonna be ending at midnight. You know what I mean? Okay, 11:59 p.m. You get it. Unfortunately, this giveaway is only open to US residents. I'm sorry, the rest of the world, but we're not shipping this. Levoit's gonna be shipping this directly to you, so they said US only. Next time, international next time. So let me know if you guys are interested. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again to Levoit for sending this stuff over. I will definitely be using it frequently because I loved it and I feel so relaxed now. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again soon, and until next time, namaste and much love.